Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, we have an unboxing. Yay! Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay everybody, so as you can see, this is my very first piece from VCA. I am super excited. So that's why you see I have these bracelets in my hand. So you kind of figure what it is. So without any further ado, let's get into the box. We got, I think this is my receipt. Yeah, this is my receipt. We got the booklet. So this is not anything new. If you've gotten a VCA before, the Van Cleef, you get all of these in the package. As you can see, all of this. Okay, and you get that. And then last, I got the card of my essay. So this, what is this? I think it's just more documents and everything. Oh, okay, so I guess this is the documentations and everything. Oh, this is like a cloth thing. Yeah, so it's probably like to wipe the piece or something. I'm not 100%. This is my very first piece. So if you are Van Cleef, if you own Van Cleef, let me know what this black cloth is for, because I'm not 100% sure. But I think it's more for like to keep it clean and things like that, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you do own a Van Cleef piece, can you please comment below what this cloth thing is for? Let me just put it back in. I'll do it correctly. This is so cute. I love, before I get into the unboxing, I love this little wrapping. This is so cute. It has a little butterfly on here. These are why you buy luxury, right? You buy luxury for stuff like this. I think this is just so beautiful. I've never really seen a wrapping like this. So this is very beautiful. This is the box it comes in. So I got this beautiful. This is the Van Cleef Alhambra bracelet, but this is with the one motif. And honestly, I don't know if I want the one with the 5 and stuff like that. I really like dainty pieces. This is like, right now, this is what my stack look like. I'm trying to build on my stack. This is my Hermes Click Clack H. This is my Tiffany. This is the Ella, which one is this? Let's see, this is the Ella Protecti, I think, bracelet with the pearl and the gold. So I really love that bracelet. Let me take the Hermes one out. And the reason why I really got this one is to kind of pair with this. So I think it's really dainty and I think it's so beautiful. And that's why I was like, oh, okay, well, I want this piece, because I think it's just, it would just make this just a complete set. So as you can see, this is how I'm going to be wearing it. I wanted something that was dainty enough that will go on here. This is what it is. So this is how it's going to look like on my hands. And this one, like I stated, is with the mother of pearl. I did ask the sales associate, because she was asking me, I was like, well, I don't want anything, she was asking me about my lifestyle and everything, and I told her usually when I wear my bracelet, I take it off. I don't keep my bracelet on me. Like, I only usually wear my bracelet when I'm going out. It's not an everyday piece for me. So that's really it. It's like if I'm going shopping or anything, I'll wear my bracelet. So that's why I decided to go with the mother of pearls. She did show me the red one. I forgot what they call it. leave it, I'll put it on the screen right now. But she was like, that one is more of a hard stone. That one with the black onyx is a harder stone, but the green one is not really a hard stone in the mother of pearl, but the greener one is way more sensitive. With the mother of pearl is not as sensitive, but it is sensitive. So I honestly, like I told her, because she was like, as long as you don't get it wet or anything like that, you should be okay. Which honestly I won't, because I don't wear this. Even with my Tiffany bracelet, this one, I don't wear it every day. I only wear it when I'm going out. And even my Hermes the chain bracelet, I don't wear this every day. I only wear it when I'm going out. So this is going to be very perfect to just layer with this. I think this is so pretty, because when I saw the red one, it came with rose gold hardware. It was really beautiful, but I felt like this complement this Tiffany one way better, because they're both yellow gold, and the mother of pearl I think is just gonna look so pretty with my Tiffany pearl one. And just the color, they just complement each other so well. As you can see, let me see, you see how the color look? They just go together so beautiful. And one thing with me, I like dainty jewelry. I don't like really thick jewelry. I think, like, as you can see, you saw the Hermes Click Clack bracelet, which is more of the chunky one. So that's why I was like, I don't know if I want the Cartier Love bracelet yet. And if I do get the Cartier Love bracelet, it'll probably be the skinny one to complement this. But I love this, and like I said, I'm not sure if I want to get the 4 or the 5 motif maybe later down the line with Van Cleef. But I do like how dainty this one is, and I feel like if I'm going to get also the like another Van Cleef, I will probably want the hammered one that's just one motif and it's in rose gold. I really think that is beautiful. But when I asked the lady, she was like, it's going to take 3 months. You order it and it takes 3 months for it to get here. So that's the only reason why I didn't pick that one, and I decided to go with this. The red one, I really didn't care for it. Like I said, it was very beautiful, but I like this. I love how this set is coming together. It's very dainty, and I think they just both complement each other so well. So that's why I was like, oh, okay, I'll probably pick up this one. Oh, sorry. I'll probably pick up this one, because I feel like this one is just, it's single. It's not in your face. It's not like all of the other Van Cleef piece that are just like, you know, the big motif and stuff like that. This is very cute. This is very dainty. This is very you know, it's like, for me, like, this is chunky in my hand, but I like it because this is like gonna be, like I stated before, when I bought this one, I wanted this to be like my silver hand. So most of the items that are gonna be here are like my wedding ring, the Hermes chain ring that I bought the last time when I did the unboxing, and this. And then on this hand is my Tiffany bracelet, and then this Van Cleef bracelet right here. I feel like they just complement each other so well, and they would just sit with each other, because it's very dainty, and that's what I was looking for. I wasn't looking for anything that was like too bulky. I wasn't looking for anything else. So when I went in, and I've been looking for this, I've been looking at this bracelet. This is like my 2nd or 3rd time going in to look at this bracelet. So I was like, oh, you know, I really like it. I don't know, but I feel like this is just so pretty. And then when I got this one from my birthday from my older brothers, I felt like this was like the perfect combination. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh, the mother of pearl is just going to be so beautiful to tie with this. So as you can see, they both sit with each other so perfectly. Let me move this up so you see right here. I think they sit with each other so perfectly, and I just think it's the perfect pairing. I don't know, I'm like really loving this. I think it's like the perfect dainty pieces to just sit with each other and just, you know, complement each other. So that's why I was so excited to pick this up. And it's so crazy because the lady was like, this one, especially at the boutique that I went to, they literally sell out of this. I don't know if it's because of like the Christmas season and stuff like that, but I think this is just so beautiful. And so just look at this hands, like this is basically what it's going to look like. And if I want, pair the Hermes. So earlier today, as you can see, that's what I was wearing. So if I want, I can pair the Hermes one. So you see, so this is basically what it would look like if I want to put like a hard bracelet. I'll probably put the Hermes one, and these two will kind of sit like this, just like this. This is how I'll probably wear this for the meantime until I decide if I want to add another stack here, but I don't know exactly what I want to add. But for the meantime, this is basically what it will look like with the Hermes click clack bracelet and the Tiffany bracelet, and then now the Van Cleef bracelet will just sit just like this, as you can see. And then this one will have my silver pieces. I'll probably add another silver piece here, but I don't know exactly yet what I want to add on this hand. But this is what my stack is looking at like right now. And I do have another Tiffany pearl one, which is all pearl, so sometimes I do interchange it, and I think I have some other stuff and things like that. So this is basically what everything is going to look like, as you can see. So I am so excited, and I'm so excited for my very first Van Cleef piece. I just think it's so beautiful. It's so dainty, but it's just it's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful with the mother of pearl. It's yeah, this is what it is. So anyway, this was the video for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day.